Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete and remove all likes on Instagram. Firstly, get up into your profile section on your account and then go on the three dots on your right upper side. Then as you can see here you have many options. You need to choose the third one which says your activity. Go for it and then just go for the section which says interactions, the third one. Go for that, go for likes, and here you can find out all the posts that have liked, and if you gotta go and remove them, just go for it, go unlike them, and automatically by refreshing it they're gonna get up. If you go on the select also, go select, and now just go for unlike, go again, and that's it guys. Now we have just two posts that we have unselected to get off them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.